Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And yep, we're doing another Akai CR-83. Well, we just did an Akai CR-83. Well, we're doing another one. This one is from Gus in Hacienda Heights, California. And we're just going to pop a tape in and make sure everything works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka on deck here. Okay, make sure we got both speakers working. Back to that view. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at a blank spot here, so we'll just wait for next song to start, or maybe it's on a track. There we are. Okay, we'll try another tape just to make sure we didn't get lucky with that one. Let's see. I haven't gotten nailed too much for copyright issues on Herb Alpert music, so let's pop some Herb in. Okay, we're at the end of the song there. Okay, and now we should have something on track 3. There we are, Limbo Rock. All right. Okay, so that concludes the test. Everything's working as it should. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I am Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and needless to say, if you have an A-Track player either for home or for car use, you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Gus, for your business from California. We'll see you guys next time.